Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Tracy, and I am here with a video that is a little bit more specific to a client of mine. However, I feel it would be beneficial for many to see. Many of you can learn how to bundle like products using variants, okay? And so, again, this is specific for one of my customers, so I'm going to give her scenario first, but then I'm going to show how to do it with other products. Okay, so I'm going to give two scenarios. So my client sells DTFs, but she also gives the opportunity for someone to buy DTFs on the apparel. Now, side note, my personal opinion on this, and again, it's my opinion. I may be wrong, I may be missing something, but what I would say is if you're offering DTFs are typically B2B. And then the with the apparel, typically B2C. Again, I might be missing something, but for me, I would suggest to sell the DTFs by themselves, but this is her store. She could do it how she wants to. And again, I might be missing something, but to me, if my customers were to come to my store and see DTF, okay, so what am I supposed to do with this? What's the DTF? Some people don't know what that is. And so they're going to be like, well, what's a DTF only? Which is might push some questions towards your website like, hey, what is this? So that is why sometimes it can cause confusion. But again, I'll let her ponder on that and then I will just deliver the answer to her question. The question was how to sell the product and position the pricing correctly with and without the apparel attached to the DTF. So DTF only, or if they want the DTF already pressed onto the apparel. Here we go. I don't know how you would want to title this because in the name, you probably want to hint to the fact that you can either buy the DTF. This is again some of the confusion. You'd want to include in the name somehow that they can either get a bundle or the DTF. So maybe call it a DTF shirt bundles. I don't know. So that's up to you. Again, a reason why I would say sell them separately. So that's what I'm going to call it. I'm going to go ahead and select my product. Here is my transfer, and here is my mock-up with the shirt. So you can leave the transfer as the main picture if you want, or if you wish to change the order, you can move these around. Okay, so whichever one you choose to showcase. I would start the price at $6, but of course, as we add the variants, this will change. But the starting bid, let's just say you sell your DTS for $6. We'll put the $6 there. If you do or do not charge taxes, you want to make sure that you check and uncheck this as appropriate. Track quantity. We're going to talk about this, but don't touch it right now, okay? Go down to variants, okay? Right here, y'all, variants. Add variants. So the first one is obvious. We want to say, are we doing DTF or are we doing the DTF shirt bundle? So you can say DTF. Oh, actually, we gotta give this variant a title. So choose one. You can create custom variant names. It doesn't have to be what Shopify has in there. So we could say DTF only or DTF and shirt bundle. Okay, that is one variant. The next variant would be for her particular situation, we are also going to let the customer choose because this is how for the shirt bundle, she's going to charge differently if it's front and back or just front or back, right? So one image or are we doing two images? So I have to choose a different variant name because they won't let me choose one twice. So, or you say choose placement of images, front, back, there we go. Choose placement of images because honestly, choosing the placement, you're pressing the DTS for them, so you would have to know if it's going to be front, back, sleeve, what are we doing? Now, under this, however, we are going to put DTF only. Just hold tight. I know we got DTF only under choose one. We're going to put DTF only again, and this will make sense in a minute. DTF only, and then we're going to do front only. Back only, front and back. Click done. Now, what's the next one? It's the obvious sizes, right? We're going to create another variant. So click here. Now we're going to do size. So let's choose our sizes. And I'm also going to put here no shirts. So no shirt is going to be a size. Again, this will make sense in a minute. No shirts. And just plug in your sizes for the rest as normal. Again, this is a method that you can create your own bundles. You have to know how to maneuver around the variants, okay? So here are our three variants. We have DTF only, DTF and shirt bundle. DTF only, front and back. And then we have no shirts, extra small, small, blah, 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 blah. Okay? And make sure that when you are doing your description, that you are being very particular in letting them know what this means. You can choose to purchase the DTF only, or you can choose to get the DTF pressed and shipped on your select apparel. Does your girl got you or what? Okay. All right, so here we go. Now we have our three variants. Now we want to slide on down. This is where we're going to get real specific. Let's take one step. I want y'all to breathe. You need another one? Okay. So, DTF only, no shirts. So, when they're buying a DTF only, we have to give them an option of not being forced to choose a size of shirts if they're choosing to only buy the DTF. Does that make sense? Okay. So again, aside from my opinion of just selling the DTF on its own, if you want to still position it this way, you have to maneuver around these variants. And so it's possible. And here's how we're going to do it. So I got up close and personal so you can see very well on how this is. All right, so we're going to work on DTF only. There's no shirt. There's no reason for anyone to pick a size. There's no reason for anyone to pick front and back. They're going to choose how many DTFs they want. That's it. We don't care where they put them. They could put them on their head if they want to. Okay? So for all of these sizes, now we could very well go into bulk edit to do this. Okay? And I love to do that, but I have to show you what is happening first. Okay. So DTF only, there's no other product. They just have to say DTF only and how many they want, right? So the DTF, let's say it's going to be $6. And we would put that with the DTF no shirt. And we want to put in some sort of quantity. Let's just say you can sell this product for however long you want to. Typically, we would uncheck the track quantity box so that Shopify sees that we will continually make this product until we decide to shut it on down. With this scenario, we can't do that because what we need to do, and you'll see it in a minute, what we need to do is ensure that Shopify knows, It's going to look like all these ones that we don't need is going to show sold out because we're not going to put any quantity for them. We're also not going to have a price. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put a quantity of 9.99, 99.99. Okay. I don't care how many nines you want to put in there. You can put that many nines. Okay. All right. Leave this at $6. I'm going to save this. I'm going to show you how to bulk edit this because there's a lot of variance here for this bundle. So come on out. Let's save it. Because otherwise we'd have to put 0 on all of these, okay? You could do boop, boop, boop. It's not that hard, but there's a lot of them. So I am going to go and show you how to bulk edit that. Bulk, B-U-L-K. Let's go out of the product. When you are here, just check the product, go to bulk edit. Here, you can manage the quantity, the price, anything on one screen. So you can manage the columns. I'm going to take away columns I don't need. I don't need status, product category, vendor. The only thing I need is price. And they got the quantity there. So we're going to leave that. Okay. So as you can see, DTF only. And then we got our DTF and shirt bundles. We're not going to mess with that. We're messing with the DTF only. I am going to click on this box and I'm going to follow it all the way down to the DTF only front and back 4XL. At this point, this whole column is highlighted besides the first one, of course. I'm going to press 0 and it changed everything at once. Y'all see that? That's how we changed it by doing 2 motions. Highlighting it and then pressing 0. Then of course you're going to press save. Okay. We got a high quantity here. It's 999,999.99. Okay. That means that that's how many times Shopify is going to allow you to sell this because we need to leave all of these at 0 so that they show sold out for a specific purpose. Let's go back to the product, shall we? Let's go on down to the other bundle, to the other variant, which was DTF and shirt bundle. So now what we need to do, it's going to be more for the other variants than it is for DTF only no shirt. So this is DTF and shirt bundle, right? So every one of these that says DTF only, we're going to knock out a price and we're going to leave it 0. Because it's not a DTF only, it's a bundle. Make sense? We're going to leave these at 0. Okay? Because they got to show sold out. Now, come on down here where it says front only, no shirt. This is where we got to start putting in the prices. Now, the front only, no shirt, that makes no sense, right? So we're going to knock out that one as well. There's going to be a back only, no shirt. That makes no sense. There's 11 more. And there's going to be a front and back, no shirt. Makes no sense because this is a bundle with a shirt. So we're just taking out the price for that and leaving it at a quantity of 0. Let's go ahead and save that and go back out to the bulk edit. I'm going to get out of this and go to my products page, check it, bulk edit. Get rid of the columns I don't need. Okay, the more times we do this, y'all, the repetition is going to help you. Okay, so we need the shirt bundles. I need all of these, the DTF and shirt bundle. So again, DTF only, no shirt. That's not this type of party. This is a shirt bundle. So we got to start at the extra small. Use your little arrow button or cursor and make sure you're starting where we're supposed to be at, which is the DTF front with the shirt size. Okay. Now, obviously here, there's a few factors. There is the sizing because we should be charging more for 2XL, right? Then there is when they want front and back, we're going to charge more as well, correct? Yes. So for this scenario, we're going to say that the shirts and DTF, you price it however you want to price it. If you want to include a different price for the DTF, I mean, if you're pressing it, we are normally charging what, $25 for a shirt? It's up to you on how you want to do it. So I'm going to say $25. Y'all saw how I changed all of that all at once? Say what? And then for the 2XL and 3XL. Now, first of all, these are going to be bigger. So I would say 30. I don't know, 30. Y'all put in whatever prices. I'm just showing you how to do it, okay? So there's front only in all the sizes. Now we're going to skip over back only, no shirt. Again, that doesn't make any sense. They want a shirt, correct? And I know you want to take that out of there, but don't. Back only and a shirt size. Again, extra small to extra large, 25, and then 30. Voila. This is why I love this feature. And I believe a lot of platforms have it, but we rock with Shopify all day long anyway. So I just got to continue to big them up. Okay. Now, this is where, again, I don't sell DTFs. So y'all got to put in your own prices. But let's just say since they want front and back, these shirts are going to be $30. And then we're going to charge extra. Ooh, I don't know how much I would charge for the front and back on the 2X, 3X, 4X. So let's just say these are going to start at 30. Oops, see, I did that wrong because I want y'all to bulk at it. Select the rows, $30. Let's just say these ones are going to be 37. I don't know, y'all. Y'all let me know. Anyway, so we got our prices, and as you can see, we're leaving front and back no shirt blank. We're leaving back only no shirt blank. We're leaving front only no shirt blank. We are also leaving those blank as we do the quantity. Remember our other one had 99,999. Okay. We're going to do the same thing. So we're going to select, be very careful that you're only selecting. So use your base price column as your point of reference. So select and then do a high amount. Then do the next set. Then do the next set. And I'm showing you how this looks like on the website. Make sure you save your changes. Let's go out and take a look on how this looks on the website, okay? So I'm going to go into my product. Make sure you choose the picture. So for DTF only variants, I would also put in a picture to show them what they're getting. That's all you're getting with DTF, honey. But for the shirt and bundle, obviously you're not going to have the shoes and jeans. They know not buying no daggone sneakers. Okay? Save. So with all changes, y'all, especially of this magnitude, make sure you always, always, always act like you're the customer. Come on out and check out. Okay? Please and thank you. So Let's go through this, shall we? I want a DTF. So I'm going to choose DTF. You see how it's already, baby. Who's your girl? Listen. Delayed does not mean denied. Okay. I might not could get to your questions at the speed of lightning, but I will come through for you. Do you understand me? DTF only. DTF only. Everything else is grayed out, crossed out. This is why we left zero quantities, right? DTF only, no shirts. That's all you can choose. That's it. Now, when they go to choose DTF and shirt bundle, then the words DTF only and no shirt are crossed out. And now it proceeds to have them choose what they want. So I, again, as a business owner, run through it, make sure the pricing is right, right? So we did DTF only. So DTF no shirt, $6. That's the price of a DTF, right? Or whatever y'all charge. DTF and shirt bundle, front only. Now the sizes open up. Okay, let's check our extra 4XL, extra small, extra large. Back only, 4XL. Okay, front and back, 30, 37. Y'all, that's how you do it. And that's how you do it, my friend. Okay. We're going to run that back, okay? I'm going to show you another example for people who might sell t-shirts and tumblers. You could do the same thing. Let's go. So this scenario, I am going to be selling a breast cancer. I'm going to call it a breast cancer awareness bundle. You know that word bundle just gets to people. Let's select our photos for this. Okay. I am going to put this at front and center because it shows both products in one picture. The starting price for this is going to be 25 because the tumbler's 25, a shirt is 25. I'm going to leave track quantity alone and I'm going to proceed to my variants. Let's start, shall we? So the first variant is choose. I'm going to say the same thing. Choose one. Okay. So do you want the tumbler only? The shirt, I'm going to say T-shirt only. I should add sweatshirt in there, but I don't have a picture of that. T-shirt only or tumbler and T-shirt bundle. Done. Add another one and we're going to do size and then we're going to say no shirt. I just made my own variant. Okay. No shirt. And then we're going to put in our regular sizes. Okay. That's it. That's it. That's all. So now Shopify has given me 3 different variants to touch on. And so Tumblr only, no shirt. What we gonna do, y'all? For Tumblr only, no shirt, we want to make sure that it has a price of 25 because they're only paying for the tumbler. And then we could put in that high 9.99.99, whatever you want to put in there. And then for the extra small, you want those at 0. So this is kind of the opposite. And then the quantity is going to remain at 0 because, again, we don't want that as an option. This is the way we have to set it up to sell it as a bundle, to offer bundles without having to use another app. So the more that we could do without an app's use, the easier it can be. Tumblr only, no shirts, $25, quantity at 99.99.99. Okay, all this is at 0. Let's minimize that and go on to the shirt only. So no shirt doesn't make sense. So we're gonna make that 0. And then all of these are gonna be at 99, 99, 99. I'm gonna copy and paste. This is only a few, so I'm not gonna bulk edit. Okay. And then of course for 4XL, I'm doing this Control C and Control V to copy and paste, y'all. 27, or let's say 30. Okay. So under the shirt only, we have no shirt because that went with the tumbler. So now we just need sizes, right? Now let's minimize that and say tumbler and t-shirt bundle. So again, no shirt, we're going to put 0 and leave it at 0. And then the rest, we're going to do 99, 99, 99 for the quantity. Now, pricing, y'all, you're giving them 2 items. So what is it going to be? Usually these would be 25 and 25 is 50. Let's say we'll do $5 off for the bundle. Give them some sort of discount, to get the bundle. You don't have to. Some people say, hey, they want it, they're gonna pay for it. Right? Make sure that's 0. No shirt is 0. So the rest of this is, but we're gonna have to go up on these ones anyway, because they would normally be 55. I gave that extra 5 for the 2XL. So they're still saving. It's just, unfortunately, that's what it is for us two. I wear 2X, honey. That's what it is for us 2X folks, 3X and 4X, okay? Let's save. Now from the product page, you can go, right? You don't have to go back out. Just go ahead and click view right from the product page. Let's see, y'all. What? So tumbler only, no shirt is $25. T-shirt only, you see no shirt is grayed out and it allows them to choose the sizes. Again, check to make sure your prices are showing up properly, which they are. T-shirt and tumbler bundle. Don't forget that it's a bundle, y'all. You have to go up on the price. It's 2 items for one. You would add them up and then take off maybe $5. That's what we get at the stores. Give your customers the same thing. A little $5 discount won't hurt, but some people are still like, hey, they're going to pay for it. But that's how you see that? I want y'all to see that. Tumbler only, no shirt, $25. T-shirt only, it crosses out no shirt. Tumbler and t-shirt, it crosses out no shirt because that doesn't make any sense. They both got shirt in them. Why would there be a no shirt option? And we did that by making sure this had a 0 price, a 0 quantity, but we gave all these other ones high quantity. Okay? That is how you can offer this option. I hope this was very helpful. Please let me know in the comments that it was very helpful, or if you still have any questions, and this goes for everyone that watches this video. Ask and I will address questions. Again, sometimes it gets a little hectic with the questions, and your girl be busy over here, but I will not leave y'all hanging. Okay? See you next time.